You can't just pull numbers out of the sky. You have to actually reach out to third parties to get their take on what the estimated cost would be in connection with the proposed transaction, hey, that's been applied for. Okay, so you have to do your homework. It also takes into consideration what you knew and when you knew it. Okay, and so if you have information, you have to use that in consideration of coming up with this estimate of fees and charges. Or when we get to the revised versions of these, the revised estimates, and we get to closing, the actual fees and charges. Okay, you can't just pull numbers out of the sky. Okay, you have to do your homework. We want to know at the end of the day, what did you know and when did you know it? And that's what the disclosure should be based on. Okay, you're documenting a story. Think of it that way. The next person that picks up that loan file needs to understand how the story went. If you leave things to the imagination of the next person that picks up that loan file, well, I guarantee you it's likely to be an auditor or an examiner. Okay, one of the two. And they're not wired the same way as you are. It's not because they're trying to be mean or hurtful or anything like that. That's how they're wired. And so that's what they're going to look for to lead them through the journey in that loan file. And if the information's not there, they'll make it up through their eyes, their perception of what they think happened. And not being wired like you and you leaving details out is going to lead them likely in directions you don't want them to go. So make sure you leave information for them, that you tell the story, factual, based on what you knew and when you knew it.